Good afternoon. Standard 8, subject English. Yesterday we learned a passage, an extract of the poem 1.1 Be the Best. Today we learn a second extract on this poem 1.1 Be the Best. Revision. So, at first I read the question. Listen carefully. Read the following extract and do the activities. हा प्रश्न तुम्हाला परीक्षेमध्ये असा काय केला जातो विचारला जातो. कवितेला प्रश्न असा असतो. त्यानंतर त्यामध्ये 3 उपप्रश्न दिलेले आहेत. आता त्यामधला पहिला जो उपप्रश्न आहे A1 सिंपल फॅक्च्युअल ॲक्टिव्हिटी की ह्याच्यामध्ये एकदम साधा प्रश्न असतो हा की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं अर्ध्या मार्काला 1 मार्कासाठी प्रश्न काय केले जातात सोपे विचारले जातात. तर त्यामध्ये आता पहिला जो प्रश्न दिलेला आहे इथं पहा स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. पहा खाली दिलेले विधाने सत्य की असत्य ते सांगा. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स ऑल मस्ट बी द कॅप्टन्स ऑफ द टीम्स. बघा ऑल मस्ट द कॅप्टन्स ऑफ द टीम्स. इट इज फॉल्स नॉट ट्रू. आपण सर्वजणच त्या ठिकाणी जहाजाचे कर्णधार बनू शकत नाही. देन सेकंड we win or fall depending upon size or position. It is also false. Third one is if your work is not important, don't do it. It is false. It is also false. And next sentence, whatever job you have, do your best. This is true. So extract number 2, page number 3. I read the extract again. Listen carefully. We can't all be the captains. We have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a train. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fall. Be the best whatever you are. So next question, A2 complex factual activity. In this question, complete the following with appropriate words phrases from the stanza. आता स्टांजामध्ये दिलेला जो माहिती आहे त्याच्या सहाय्याने दिलेले वाक्य काय करायचे आपल्याला पूर्ण करायचे आहे. वाक्य कसं विचारलेलं आहे पहा. इफ यू कांट बी ए कॅप्टन डॅश. मग त्या ठिकाणी आता आपल्याला पुढं काय दिलेलं आहे पहा की यू कॅन बी इन ए क्रू. यू कॅन बी इन ए क्रू. सेकंड डॅश बी ए ट्रेन means if you can't be a highway, be a train. Third one, if you can't be the sun, comma, be a star. That is the next dash whatever you are, be the best of underline whatever you are. So these are 4 sentences here. Now answer the following. What do people like to see along the highway? बघा राजमार्गावरून जाताना लोकांना काय पाहायला आवडते? नॅरो पाथ्स. In full sentence, along the highway people like to see narrow paths. Second question, what is the message given at the end? कवितेच्या शेवटी कोणता संदेश देण्यात आलेला आहे? The message given at the end is, बघा, the message given at the end is be the best of whatever you are. Be the best of whatever you are. So third question, activity based on poetic device or vocabulary. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the stanza. This question for 1 mark. And you know that rhyming words, rhyming pairs, and rhyming scheme different. There is difference between rhyming scheme and rhyming pairs. So rhyming pairs means here you write the words at the end of the line. So example, first crew, last word is crew, and line number third do, crew do. Next line number second here, fourth near, here near. Spelling is difference, but pronunciation at the last are same. Here near, trail fail, star are. So these are the rhyming pairs. So you solve this extract in your notebook as well as in your workbook. Now you read it again and again by heartily, and how the question is asked in the examination, you understand it. So read it again and again and understand the poem. So we stop here.